Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Active4 Tab Active4 Pro and I want to show you how add website shortcuts icon to your home screen on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application or something like this and find your website which you want to add to your home screen as shortcut icon. Where we are on it, we press three dots on the right corner and there add to home screen. Now we can custom name of our shortcut icon by tap J and we can add or delete something, we can custom it in our style. After we did it, we confirm all by add and add again, and that's all. We have our shortcut icon on our home screen right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!